In this video, we're going to learn how to set up Supply. Supply is a command line tool used for updating or uploading your Google Play APKs as well as metadata to the Google Play Store. To do that, let's go into our Google Play console first. So in the Google Play console, you can go ahead. This is what mine looks like. A few unpublished and removed apps here, but let's not worry about that now. So go into your settings and click API access, because what Supply is going to do is essentially use an API to talk to Google Play to be able to upload your APKs there. Click API access, scroll down and click create a service account. So it says to create a service account, you need to navigate to the Google API console. So let's go ahead and do that. We want to create a service account. So click on create a service account, give this account a name. So this is our Fastlane app. So let's just call this Fastlane tutorial app. Select a role. For role, go ahead and select service account and service account user, and then you can go ahead and click furnish a new private key. So your private key, you want the key type to be of type JSON. I think Google recently implemented the JSON version. So go ahead and then click create. So it says here the service account and key have been created. Awesome. Exactly what we want. If you notice here, that downloads a JSON file. So this is going to be our JSON release manager. So if we go into our downloads, we can see it right there, our Google Play Android, and let's go ahead and rename this. So we can call this release manager, and we can move this into our directory, Android Studio projects, go YouTube, Fastlane, and we can drag that release manager.json into that. Awesome. So come back into the Google Play console, click done, and now we have to grant access to our recently added service account. So click grant access. In this drop down, go ahead and make sure release manager is checked as the role, and then click add user. So this user is our release manager, and they're able to upload APKs as well as metadata into the Google Play console. So for Supply to work, what we need to do here, so let's go ahead and create this lane for deploying to the Google Play Store. So to upload our APK, so what we need to do is to call into the action Supply, and we can set a track here. So track is essentially the Google Play channel where this is going to be uploaded. So track, and we can say we want all our APKs to go into the Google Play beta channel. Okay. We can set our APK to a lane context variable. So whenever a lane runs, we end up getting lane context variables out of it. And one of those variables is the path to the signed APK. So lane context. And we can say this is going to be shared values. Oops, we forgot hash mark. So shared values, and this is going to be signed APK path. Okay. And if you're using ProGuard in your project for obfuscating your code, so ProGuard is a tool used for obfuscating your code, you probably want to upload your mapping files to Google Play as well. And you can do that by saying mapping and then provide the path to the ProGuard mapping file. We're going to assume it's already defined in some sort of environment variable. So we can set this to env, and this would just be ProGuard mapping file. And now if you go back into your terminal and run Fastlane Android deploy, that should upload your APK as well as your mapping file to the Google Play console.